Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Have you noticed that Face ID stopped working properly after updating to iOS 26.5? You're definitely not alone. A lot of iPhone users are dealing with the same issue right now. In today's video, I'm going to show you 2 effective ways to fix Face ID problems on iOS 26.5. Just follow each step carefully and watch until the end so you don't miss anything important. The first thing I recommend is doing a force restart on your iPhone. This is one of the easiest ways to fix temporary software glitches, including Face ID issues after an iOS update. Here's how to do it. Quickly pressing the volume up button, then press volume down. After that, press and long hold the power button at the right side of your phone. And do not let the power button until you see the Apple logo appear over your screen. Once the Apple logo appears, let go of the button and wait for your iPhone to restart. After your phone turns back on, check if Face ID is working again. If Face ID is still not working, the next method is to reset all settings on your iPhone. Start by opening the Settings app. Then tap on General. Scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, tap Reset and choose Reset All Settings. Now don't worry, this will not delete your photos, apps, videos, or personal data. What it does is reset system settings like Wi-Fi networks, Bluetooth connections, wallpapers, notifications, and Face ID settings. After a major update like iOS 26.5, some settings can become corrupted or conflict with the new system. Resetting all settings gives your iPhone a fresh start, and in many cases, this fixes Face ID issues immediately. Once the reset is finished, set up Face ID again and see if it works properly. Now, if none of those methods worked and your iPhone is showing messages like iPhone unavailable or connect to iTunes because of too many failed Face ID or passcode attempts, don't panic. I want to show you a very useful tool called AnyUnlock that can help you unlock your iPhone without needing the password or iTunes. If you want to try it out, you can download it using the link in the video description below. After installing AnyUnlock on your computer, launch the program and select the Unlock Screen Passcode option from the main interface. Then connect your iPhone to your PC using a USB cable. From there, simply follow the on-screen instructions step by step. Within a few minutes, the software will automatically remove the iPhone unavailable or disabled screen from your device. Once the process is complete, you'll regain access to your iPhone and be able to set it up like new again. Those are the best ways to fix Face ID problems after updating to iOS 26.5, along with an easy solution to unlock an unavailable iPhone without a password. Hopefully, one of these methods worked for you. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to iMobie for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.